Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, let's look at how we can use an app called Edpuzzle to add notes or quiz questions to our flipped lecture videos. Let's go. So we're on a blank Google Chrome and we'll go to Chrome add-ons, also known as the Chrome Store. You can Google the Chrome Store. The Chrome Store has many different apps that you can use with Google Chrome. I'll search for Edpuzzle and I will add to Chrome. Add extension and boom! Edpuzzle has been added to Chrome. So on edpuzzle.com, you can link it to your Google account and you can see the many different contents that you have, either connected to your school or connected to popular websites. Let's show you how to create your own. You can actually create your own on YouTube. As you can see, if you bring up the video that you made on YouTube, there's a little button that the add-on creates called Edit with Edpuzzle. Check that out. Click on it. Now, you have some different options with your new video. You can either cut the video. This means that you will shorten or only have a particular section of video that you want your students to see. Or you can add voiceover. This only works for videos that you upload yourself to the Edpuzzle website, but very useful if you want to add commentary. Or right now, let's add some questions.
So the students have reviewed material before class. Now what happens during class time? Well, the instructor has great flexibility when the students already have a working knowledge of what's going on. For one, the instructor can resolve questions that the students have regarding the lecture material. In addition, it's a good way to facilitate discussion because every student can come in with a working knowledge with some idea of the concepts before coming to class. And finally, it's a very good chance to use project work or group activities or individual work in which the students are applying the concepts and the new content in a novel way. Essentially doing a similar work of a group project or of a homework assignment, but during class time. As you can see here on the left.
So I find a point where I want to pause the video and give the students a question. As you can see, we have three different choices here: multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, or notes. A note is where you want to add an additional piece of information, but not assign a quiz question. So let's make a note here at this point of the video. You can also do a review session at the beginning of class. Yeah, very important to know. Good, save. Now, every time you create a note or quiz question, the video will rewind so you can preview what you can see. And now, down below this note, you can also add multiple questions in a sequence. So let's add a multiple choice question here. What is not something you should do during a class in a flipped classroom? Good. You can add as many answers as you want, and the red X means that the answer that you give is not true. The green check mark means that it is true. So let's supply some answers. I'll make option C the correct one. Group activity? No, that's fine. Resolve questions? No, it's very good. Teacher lecture? No, not good. So that'll be the correct answer here. And as you can see, it will let you review the questions that you've made. And now let's do one more. Let's add a open-ended question. This will allow the students a more free response when you assign the question in the lecture video. For example, what would you like to do if your classroom was flipped? Let's save that. Once again, we can review. So now it'll show a sequence of three different questions that you will ask the students.
Traditional classroom setup in which
and then the video continues.
used as lecture time. students have to sit down and just listen and just take notes.
When you've added all of the lecture notes or questions that you want, you can review everything that you've added in this section right here. It shows you the list and the timestamp. Come over here and click Finish.